Dear kid, understand that I am with you despite your fatigue and having issues. Please allow me to bless you today and remind you of who I am always by your side. Prepare for a fresh round of good fortune, for the world is shifting to support you in accepting and having faith in the changes that are about to happen since I am working wonders in your life. Keep in mind that I am here for you whenever you are suffering because people are mentioning your name in locations you haven't been yet, and I'm going to do something truly incredible for you, so keep moving on. Since I will always love you, even when it seems impossible to pray for what you want to me, and I'll assist you in believing that a significant event will occur shortly. For you to understand that who you are isn't determined by your past or present actions. Keep your head up because there's a chance that you will overcome the things that make you flawed. Will come your way, and you may expect these things to change with your money. Gifts and express gratitude for them. Do not give up on me while I'm experiencing temporary. I promise to make you stronger and better since you are incredibly adored. Have eschewed fads that don't suit you, therefore take pride in your growth and advancement, trust in my plan, and remember that the timing is ripe for you. Have faith when you let go of your worries and believe that God has a purpose for your life. Hopefully everything will work out, that today is your fortunate day, and that you will be blessed. So, little one, have faith and observe as my ideal plan for your life unfolds. Turns into reality. Each person has a narrative that should be heard and comprehended, thus, be sincere. Having concern for others, having empathy will improve your quality of life. Remember that when you need to make a decision, miracles are on the way and will completely transform your life. Make the decision to seek my assistance in avoiding sin, as the closer you are to everything you've dreamed of is about to happen, the more I spend time with you. Real aid, prosperity and tranquility of mind. Adopt these positive openly. Don't fear, I'll support you through difficult moments. You are not alone in this world, and I will always and forever love you. Even though you made a mistake, you will be given another opportunity at life. Be grateful and hopeful, and never lose sight of God's purpose for your life. And that everything will turn out perfectly. Have faith that everything will work out. When the time is appropriate for you, you'll soon understand why they did what they did. And trust me, good things are coming. Take a big breath, talk to me, and pray for me, for I am here to bring about your miracle and significant advancement. Are on their way, and trust that everything will come together in the proper time and manner. Your life is about to improve, so be ready for significant adjustments and joy. Remember that accepting will give you more confidence that your dreams are coming true. That you are growing bigger and more brilliant than before, and that you should enjoy your development and growth today. You're making decisions that your former self would not have considered or believed in. My strategy for you, and declare your consent to 7777. Remember that I'm still not over you and that suffering is temporary. For a brief period, as you experience hardship, I will strengthen you and better. Know that you are incredibly loved and that a miracle is on its way. Keep going. The commitments I made to you respect your development and journey in a 7777. Your request has been granted. Now is the moment to accept it, since things are going better in your life, and your career and romantic relationships will soon soar. Declare your conviction with a 4444 and embrace the positive shift that happens in your life. Have trust that all you require is available. Positive things are coming your way. You are constantly fortunate. Trust in my plan, and accept that your life is what it is and sign your agreement with an 888 belief. Being looked after, your goals are going to materialize, and everything will exercise precisely 222 to demonstrate your readiness and prepare for the incredible beauty of your desires coming true, the ideal timing, and your dreams are coming true, and tomorrow you'll receive excellent news, so be ready to, when you wake up, say yes to a show and hear some of the best news you've ever heard. When you're prepared, then proceed along the path that has been designated for you there. Seems unlikely that this is your lucky day, but a lot of wonderful things are on your way. Transform your life by accepting your ideas and adhering to God's predetermined plan. As you are aware that everything occurred just when it was meant to lead you to where you must confirm with an 11 that you are prepared for the plan to unfold. 11 and trust that God is guiding your life. Don't worry about what you should do next, is put your trust in me and work hard. I'll bring about the appropriate. Saying yes to those who enter your life demonstrates your belief in God's plan and you're prepared for the wonderful things that will occur. I need you to be sincere and considerate. About other people, take the time to realize that each person has a unique narrative to tell, and should be heard. Utilize a 333 to demonstrate your dedication to spreading love and comprehension of the miracle that can transform your entire life are on it. Saying yes is a sign that you're willing to accept and are receptive to the remarkable gifts that you are receiving. Trust in God's plan, and your life will. If you desire a better relationship with me, be careful and change and don't sin. The more you choose to abstain from sin, the more distance you will. I can affirm with you that you are dedicated to a good path and nice things will happen in your life. You'll become wealthy and independent. Place soon. You deserve these presents, thus, accept them and express gratitude by saying, 1111, that if you have faith in the financial breakthrough, your life will improve, the anguish will subside, and trust that I will strengthen you. Don't let the suffering in the world deter you. Instead, in my love, use the number to reaffirm your strength. 7777 and realize how much you are loved, and rejoice in your advancement and development. You are releasing yourself from unproductive habits. You confirm this with a 7s in the Psalm 7, indicating your awareness of and willingness to progress personally. Don't be too hard on yourself for the positive changes in your life. When failure and success don't define who you are, learn from your mistakes and move on. You down because you are superior to them. Accept yourself and have faith in my have a plan for you. You are going to be given another opportunity at life, so you to live the life of your desires. Seize the opportunity, and demonstrate your readiness with an 888. You're going to experience excellent things in life, so please quit being. Don't be so hard on yourself. You are more than your failures and accomplishments. Stay optimistic, as I love you no matter what. Use the 1111 to prove your value, and embrace the bright times ahead. Things that are headed your way, you'll have an opportunity, and you'll succeed. Use a 111 to pay off all of your bills because your financial situation is going to change. With these advantages, your God will say, I realize you've had difficulties, but even if your route has been difficult, you're almost there if you have the will and fortitude to overcome them. Give up, I'll be there to support you. You won't be traveling alone. Trust my plan, which is based on love and good, and I will be with you every step of the way. Things are making you stronger and wiser because of your difficulties. I can see your future, and your history does not define who you are. 777 I love you. Heart, recognize your goodness, let go of your guilt, and accept the pardon. I offer you my forgiveness, no matter what. Cherished type, whether you concur with my forgiveness. At times, life can seem like a puzzle with missing pieces. Don't worry, I'll put everything in its proper place. Even though you can't see the entire image just now, you will soon realize how lovely your life is, and how strong your faith is. Don't lose hope or trust. Numerous positive things are happening in your life, including miracles, if you're willing to accept them. God says, I am working behind the scenes to bring you the good things that are waiting for you. For you, the setbacks are opportunities to grow rather than setbacks. Will receive what you desire shortly. Trust that your prayers have been heeded. And a miracle will occur. God wants you to understand that there's a purpose for your existence. Has a purpose for you, and understand that you are not here by mistake. Be unique and allow your brilliance to shine. You are a masterpiece in the making. God say, I'm arranging blessings for you like a symphony, with each note and melody have been thoughtfully chosen to make you happy and satisfied. Be alert, for the song of your life is about to begin. Your dreams could seem far off, but God assures you that He placed those dreams in your heart for a purpose. I promise to make your dreams come true, so please wait for your turn. God, who is the God of, states that your heart's desires are not too great for me. Hold on to your faith and prayers for the things that cannot be done, and watch as I fulfill your aspirations. If you concur with my recall that I am your pillar of support. If you're feeling low, I'll provide you with strength. If you rely on me, your faith serves as a powerful barrier against the difficult things. God tells me I see you're in your life, so trust me, I'll be there for you no matter what. People are aware of your efforts, perseverance, and hard work. Devoted, you continue to believe in me, and I will guide you to all that I have in store for you. Your life demonstrates my affection for you due of the difficulties you've faced. Greater purpose can be accomplished. People will be moved and motivated by your tale. Embrace my guidance as I transform you into a beacon of hope. God teaches us that although the voyage may have been difficult, joy arrives in the morning. We'll soon usher in a new season of prosperity. Cling to hope, for I'm about to. Your prayers have been heard, and we will help you turn your despair into dance. You will hear back soon, and everything will work out for the best. Prepare your heart to receive the blessings I'm giving you in the form of a yes. When your the best days are still to come, God assures them when they are ready. Accept the direction you're going, because every step will bring you closer to your goal. Finally, have faith in me, and you will see how amazing I am. Mountains, your words have the ability to breathe life into your circumstances. God says you can transform your reality because of the strength of your belief. I am the God of restoration, declares that broken things shall be found, and I believe that I will honor my promise that you are on the road to recovery. And God wants you to know how much I love you and that you have abundance in your life. What makes you valuable is who you are, not what other people believe you were created of. Fear and immense joy of a kind that is amenable to belief in your divine God says, I am weaving the threads of your life into a beautiful fabric. The ups and downs are creating a masterpiece. I promise you, your story is beautiful. Being a work of art and having the ability to touch people's lives is a blessing. God says that your love, compassion, and kindness make a difference. Continue to shine light, you're improving the world, and God says that what's in your heart is dream large, but not too crazy. for I am the God of many of your dreams are the first steps toward the amazing life I have in store for you.